Let us start our session. So, as we discussed, actually, your dark web is part of an internet. So, your actual internet is divided into many parts. So, whatever part of internet we are accessing, that is very minimal part we are accessing. Very less part accessing of your dark web. Actually, your internet is divided into many parts. There are many things available in your internet. Now that part, one is deep web and one is dark web. So there are total three webs. So now you can see this picture. Underground, under the water, whatever part is there, that is your dark web part and deep web part. And up to the surface, it is your surface web. So we know only data of surface web. Only little much we have of internet. But I have no knowledge of your deep web and dark web. So first, what are the surface web? Surface web are web pages that are indexed by search engine, and deepest web are the web pages that are not indexed by search engine. Let me show you some other PPTs. Now you can see surface web. So what are surface web? Whatever internet you are accessing nowadays, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Wikipedia, whatever websites X can be accessible easily, can be accessed easily, are your surface web. Means you can simply go to Google and search and you will get results directly. That is your surface web. Next, deep. Deep web means not indexable websites. So there you will get link pages. Means whatever detail you submit, whatever details you give, it will be under control of particular website or certain community, or it will be recorded in any website or any server, whatever details you are giving. So deep web means whatever details you are giving, whatever login page you are logging in, so your details are recording in particular server or a particular, sorry, not survey, a particular services at particular servers. That is your deep web. Now, dark web, darkest side, which cannot be accessible by simple search. Go to Google and search dark web, you will not find dark web easily. So that cannot be accessible by a simple search. So to access a dark web, you need some special software, some highly secured applications or website you required to access dark web. And it contains legal material also and illegal material also. So as I told, it is useful also, it is harmful also. So as if we discuss about legal content, only 32% legal content there. Some IRC services are there, means some government people all work under dark web. Some data transferring also done there. Some under secret missions also done there regarding our Indian government and our US government. Some pen testing means some website testing also done there. But only 32% legal things are there. 68% illegal things. Black market. Black market means selling anything in cheapest rate. That is called market. Maybe that thing will be hacked or maybe that things are under any detected under any circumstance like theft or data theft or hijacking, hacking, phishing. Like that, data will be collected and sold into your black market. Now selling drugs, child pornography, assessment services, malware, weapons. So this all illegal things in your dark website. So dark web anonymous system. So how to access dark web? We already discussed about Tor browser. So in your application, whenever we done your application session, application review session, that time we discussed about Tor browser. So what is use of Tor browser? It will change your IP address. It will make you anonymous. Now, what is meaning of anonymous? No one can caught you easily. No one can identify you on dark web. So you can be anonymous with use of Tor browser. So it will change your IP address. Next, IP2. So IP2 means invisible internet protocol. So it is one server where it will access foreign countries data or services. It is one server based with access foreign countries. So you access foreign country network and access dark web easily. Freenet. Now what is use of Freenet? Freenet will provide you one system or one software which is very useful and helpful to access any dark web. So it is for your data security. Through Freenet, you can create one fake layer of your device so that no one hacker can directly in contact with your device. So hacker will your device is different and you are accessing through different device. So it is for use. Freenet. So top browsers. So anonymous networks are very big. Autodev, top browsers. So software used to protect user by making communication hard to trace. Means it is one kind of structure or it is one kind of pre-planned protection. Means you are connected to one safe browser, one safe protected network, and through that network you are accessing dark web or you're in dark web. For example, if you are if you are working in government, working under government, you have highly secure network with you. You have highly secure data with you. So if you try to access any dark web also, it will going to harm your data. So if you are under any surveillance, if you are under any government or any legal community, then you can access dark web easily. So Tor browsers are software used to protect user by making communication that is hard to trace. So no one can trace you. No one can trace your data. And what is use of top browsers? Tor browser. So Tor browser help to encrypt your data. Encrypt means high level of security. Encryption means high level of security and double layer protection of your security. It hides your location. It changes your IP address. So there are many other advantages of your Tor browser. We will discuss that in practical session. We will discuss in deep in practical sessions. Next, Freenet. What is use of Freenet? It will mix between peer-to-peer client server. Now, what is meaning of peer or peer-to-peer client server? So, peer-to-peer client server means directly connecting anyone, means directly connecting any server by user is called peer-to-peer server. Means I am directly accessing dark web from my from my mobile. It is called peer to peer. And it will help you to access different dark webs. It will help you to access the dark web. And also it give you one kind of protection, that is use of freenet. This all thing we are going to do in demonstration part. Silk Road Reloaded. Now what is Silk Road Reloaded? So it is one website which is located on Tor servers. It is one dark website, remember. So it is one kind of dark server where you will find some online currency, you will find some bitcoins, you can purchase some danger things. You will, it is like dark market. It is like a dark currency. It is dark currency chain. So in your first dark web visit, going to visit Silk Road Reloaded. Remember. So this is your first practical for your dark web. I already told from today, 3 days you have dark web practical session. So in your practical session, first we are going to visit Silk Road Reloaded. So whatever you want to purchase it here, that thing will be deal in only Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin. Now you can see on screen some dollar are there. Bitcoin prices are there. So it is one dark web which we will access soon. Next, societal applications of dark web. So dark web can be seen as good and bad, both the things. And information can be exchanged with government respective also. So not only illegally, but government also have some knowledge of dark web. Means government have complete informations about dark web. But the thing is, government do not have information about each and every dark. Because for example, government have knowledge of many illegal things, many illegal shops, many drug shops, many wine shops. Government have knowledge. But so government will not close each and every drug shop and wine shop because whatever knowledge government have, he can do. But beyond knowledge, if any secret shop was there, government do not know, then what government can do? If government reach there also, they will simply down. No data. So dark web is like that only. Some data will work under government, means government have very good knowledge. But some data are illegal. And nowadays dark web is very dangerous side. So government persons also think to enter in it. Next, it allow you to access blocked information. Means information that do not exist, that are blocked. Means for example, government blocked many things, many Chinese applications. So we will basically use VPN and use TikTok. There are many users. Means like government banned PUBG. So how PUBG player playing PUBG? Then also they will play through which VPN. They will simply download one VPN application, change their IP address to any foreign country IP address, and play PUBG. So through VPN, they are accessing blocked things. So in dark web also, you can access many things which are blocked. And it is very reliable platform for illegal activities. Means most of activities done in dark web are illegal. And in dark web, you can hire hitman also. So what is hitman services? You give simple amount to anyone to perform any illegal activity like to kill anyone or to torture anyone. It is hitman services. There they will illegal weapons, they sell drugs and all. They will also sell parts of human body. This all illegal dark things happen in your dark web. Next, security precautions. Visiting dark web. It is very important thing. Remember, do not trust anyone. That is very important because, for example, if you are visited dark web and on dark web, if any hacker was there and hacker will offer you, I will help you to purchase things in very less amount. I will help you to access many things on dark web. I will help you to go to that market. I will give things in cheap rate. So don't trust anyone. Don't give your personal details. Don't give your personal data and don't invest money on dark web. That is very important thing. And first thing. Next, cover your webcam with tape. Nowadays, no, each and everyone have camera in laptop. Most of the students are using laptop nowadays. Means they are using computers. So previously computers do not have webcam. For webcam, you have to purchase means one webcam externally. But nowadays laptops have inbuilt webcam. So if you go to dark web, it automatically access your microphone and webcam. So before entering dark web, you hide your webcam with any tape or put anything on it. Same thing on mobile phones also, on your PC also. Disable JavaScript on your browser. Now nowadays this part doesn't mean a lot because JavaScript is no more part of our web browsers nowadays because nowadays web browsers mostly using HTML and PHP. So JavaScript a little bit part, but it will not useful nowadays. Next, don't download anything from dark web. For example, if you visited dark web, if any software means any software is there, you have to install that software, then only you can access dark web, not like that. So do not download anything on dark web. Next, check for your VPN. It is working or not. Remember, before entering dark web, please connect yourself with a trusted VPN, with a good VPN. If, for example, if you visited dark web, then automatically, if your VPN closed by mistakenly your VPN changed, it is not properly working, it is fake VPN, then what will happen? Your original location can be traced. So always be secure. And use anonymous operating systems or anonymous web browsers. For example, Tor browsers and all. Do not try to go with Google Chrome. There are many party browsers which actually do not track. For example, DuckDuckGo, Opera, and Brave browser is there. Tor browser is there. So do not try to access any dark website with your normal browser. That is very important. Now, difficulties in removal of dark web. So sometimes what happens if you access any dark website and if you basically installed any software or any website in your system. So how will you get out of that part? So identity of site owner are preserved with software. So remember whatever software you are using. So your browser will take a amount of data with you of your identity. So that will be a difficulty part in moving dark web. So remember, do not install any application or any software from dark web. If you don't have any idea, do not install it. Let us go through some questions, some basic questions of this concept. First is difference between deep web and dark web. Dark web is sub-component of deep web. It can be only accessed by special browser or utility. Deep web is easily accessible. You can simply access it by any particular software. Next, what safety precaution should you take if you are visiting dark web? We already told you, don't trust anyone, cover your webcam, do not download anything from dark web, check your VPN working or not, disable JavaScript and all. These precautions you have to take. Next question. Through what method does the Tor browser attempt to ensure anonymity of its user identity and internet users? So Tor browser encrypts communication and then sends the information through random Tor release. Means it randomly changing your IP address, randomly changing your data. It not actually access your data. It randoms your data and then it will send to different locations and different servers. Okay, so today was our theoretical class for your dark web. Today we discussed each and everything about dark web. What is dark web? How to visit dark web, means which software we require, and what precautions we should take. With end of this session, I will share the PDF with you. Please go through this PDF, and from tomorrow we are going to access your first practical of your dark web, that is Silk Road Reloaded. So tomorrow we are going to visit this dark web website. Don't try to search this website simply on Google Chrome. I am giving you warning 2 or 3 or 4 times. And what software you required for this practical? So first software, download one VPN, download Tor browser and download Onion browser. I will share link of whatever software we require. I will share each and every link on group. So be ready with softwares. Any doubt till here? Anyone? Sahib,
No, sir. It's all clear.
Aishwarya,
No, sir.
Saini, Pallavi, Hamsavini.
No, sir.
Okay. So you guys joined lecture late, but this session is being recorded. So you will go through recorded session. Okay. From tomorrow we are starting practical for dark web. So if any one of you joined session in half, if any one of you missed any session from starting, please go through recorded session. I will upload recorded session today only. Now only after this session. And I will share PDF. At least go through PDF before attending practical of dark web. Because knowledge is very dangerous knowledge. Remember, if I simply telling we will go to dark web, if you have any knowledge and know any precautions, if you directly search, go to Google and search for any dark website, and you will find multiple fake dark website. And if you try to access any site and allow any your permission, like your camera permission, microphone permission, then it will be dangerous for you. So at that time we can't help. So please go complete knowledge and do anything under prevention and precautions. Okay then. So we are ending our session here. I will send whatever required softwares are there. I will send link with you. Okay.